She wore a beautiful dress. She wore a beautiful dress. He is a very kind person. He is a very kind person. I am feeling very thirsty. I am feeling very thirsty. The new car is very fast. The new car is very fast. The colorful flowers look bright. The colorful flowers look bright. She baked a delicious cake. She baked a delicious cake. She holds a red apple. She holds a red apple. Lift the heavy box carefully. Lift the heavy box carefully. He eats healthy food daily. He eats healthy food daily. The sky looks very blue. The sky looks very blue. She has a small bag. She has a small bag. He is a strong boy. He is a strong boy. The water is very cold. The water is very cold. This room is very clean. This room is very clean. She is a smart girl. She is a smart girl. The sun is very bright. The sun is very bright. He has a big house. He has a big house. The baby looks very happy. The baby looks very happy. This road is very long. This road is very long. She is a gentle teacher. She is a gentle teacher. The fruit is very fresh. The fruit is very fresh. He feels very tired today. He feels very tired today. The story is very interesting. The story is very interesting. This dress is very pretty. This dress is very pretty. The tea is very hot. The tea is very hot. He is a brave man. He is a brave man. The flower is very soft. The flower is very soft. She has a sweet voice. She has a sweet voice. The weather is very nice. The weather is very nice.